Hi guys, I hope you all are fine. Yesterday lecture was little bit tricky one, so I just decided myself to help you guys in a better way. So I just make a video on that one. So in last lecture, sir told us about the merge and then merge squash, then rebash and then merge comment and then conflict. So here I will tell you one by one with the practical as well. So let's first one we have to go for the merge concept. So merge concept is like that. If you have a master branch and then another branch is the which is generated from the master branch, that one is the dev one branch. So like a developer branch. So in developer branch, we have to our developer changed something in the codes and you have decided that the code is working fine. Now you have to merge it with your master branch. So how to do it, that concept is called is merge concept. So let's do a practical on it. So here I have already created my test directory and initialize it, and I have also created a one test file here, and then also one comment with the a1. Now I have to again change in something in my file. Change let's change is bb. So now comment it with the minus a2. So now I have to comment here. So now I have to create it one branch here. So let's create git checkout minus v dev one branch. So the dev branch has been created, and git, you check the git, so all the comments are come up here. Now my developer have changed something in the code. So my code have been changed from b to cc, and now my git comment here minus m with the b1. So now I am thinking that my code is good one, and now I have to deploy on my or merge it with my master branch. So how to merge it? So first of all you have to go on your master branch and then just write it git merge and with whom you want to be merged. So I want to be from day one. So my day one branch have been syncing to with my master branch here. So my all data come up here with d1. You can check it and the data as well. So cc. So this is the merge concept. But in merge concept, we have one challenge. Whenever you would do merging from one branch to another branch, we have come up with two things. One is the data, another is comment area. So we don't normally we don't want comment area in some cases. So it's depend upon the case to case. So here we don't if you if, let's suppose we don't want the comment section here. So the for this the merge squash concept come up here. So let's see how it's work. Let's do a practical for the merge squash. For that you have to just first of all switch with your developer branch. So I have developer branch. My developer have changed the code from c to dd, and now I have to comment it. Now I don't want c1 area in my c1 comment area in my master branch. So for that we have to use it for squash concept. So first of all you move to on your master branch, then git merge minus minus squash, and then with whom you want to be merge it. So I want to be merged with my day one branch. So my data come up here, but not my comment. So here is also b1 not come up with c1. So here this is the concept of a squash. And now we will come up with the rebash or rebash. Rebash is something like that you reference your data with your master node or master branch, you can say it. So let's suppose for that practical, I have to create it for the one branch as well for the checkout with the minus p dev 3. Come up with the dev 3. So why we use reverse? So come up reverse command. Let's suppose my master branch have changed in their code and move and commented now, but my dev 3 branch is not aware of that. The master have been changed their comment area or something change in the code. So how to do it? So for that, first of all, we have to change something in our master branch in order to successful our bash practical. So let's change something in the branch. So let's change in the branch. So let's suppose FFF. Now my branch have been commented and then comment minus F1. So my master code have been changed and now, but my dev 3 branch doesn't know about this. So how to know about to change the reference point of my dev 3 branch? So how can I do it? Simple, just go on to the my dev 3 branch. So for that dev 3 branch, now you just write the get and rebash from with whom you want to be master. So it successfully and rebased the updated references with the heads of the AF3. This is the only rebash for the chain in the reference. Now we want to move on the merge comment. In merge comment, normally we want that our all the master branch data come up on in the dev in our dev branch. So for that merge comment. So let's suppose here we have on both same point. So first of all, let's in reference we don't actually we don't have any co- copy or all the data, but in merge comment and merge section we copy our all the data as well as with comment, but in rebash we have just the reference point. So that's why we have or that's why we see all the data from there. So for that you have to first come on the master branch, and in master branch you have changed something in the code, like let's suppose EGG and he gets comment area and then KK minus let's V1. So another change is like that HHH V2. So my master branch have been changed, but now we want to copy our all the data in our dev branch from master to dev. Before we merging in dev to branch, now we want to move in for master to dev. So all you have to move on your dev 3 branch. I believe. Yes. So now I want to be merge it. So get merge with whom you want to be merged. I want to be merged with my master branch. So here is my updated merge master branch. My dev 3 branch have been updated with the get logs as well, V1 and V2 with the comment area and dev and 3. But so main difference in merge and rebash is reference point and the copy of the data. So in last we have a conflict merge in the conflict thing. So for that let me create another directory or another KDIR, and then K1, then we move to the K1. Now git initialize it, my directory is initialize it. Now I want to be explain the conflict, where the conflict and how to resolve it in a simple way. I will not go for the software side which before merge all the things which is told so I will just here is for to simplify it on via notepad. So I will create here the file notepad with the ABC. My file have been created. So this is my pen, this is my table, this is my book, let's suppose. So let's save it, comment it. So first of all you have to add it, then you can go for the comment with the ABC and then -m with the A1. Okay, so now we have to create another branch for that. Check out dev1 minus p with the dev1. Okay, so my data come up here with the same data. Now for the uh, for that my master branch has changed in the file, something like that. Let's suppose we have to change it from this is my pen, this is my book, this is not my book. Let's suppose I have changed in the line number 3. This is not my book. Save it. Okay. And then comment it. Git comment ABC -m with the B1. So meanwhile my developer also change in the code. So let's suppose he write it here, this is my book, where are you? So he commented and comment and then add it -m with the branch of B2. So now both and my file have been changed. My developer is also changed the file and then my master code also, master coder also changed in the file. Now we want to merge it from dev branch to my my master branch. So let's see what will be happen here. So first of all, how to merge it, we know it. We have to move on the first of all we move on to the master branch and then get merge with whom, with dev branch. So here the conflict come up, you can see it in ABC. So for this I will tell you here how to resolve this conflict right now here. So notepad, just open your notepad, ABC, come up here. So here is the things need to be noted. One is that head, this head is tell about your master code, and dev1 is this is your one. So your master code is this is not my book. One thing you have to remember it here, our staging area, like we whenever we add tracker of in any file for that for it will be read our file one per line. So if any change in the line, so he will noted it and he will will notified you about that. So here we have change in our file that master change is this in the file in the line of this is not my book, and the developer changes this is book and where are you. So in order to resolve this one, if you think that this is the good one, so remove these heads and these ones. If you think that this is the good one, so remove just only this one and remove this part one. Okay, so for me the master is the right one part, so I will just delete it here and delete it this one. So I just save it. Okay, so here we have to see first of all git status, the both have been modified the branches. So git we have to add it, and then we have to commit it, comment with abc minus m merge one, sorry, with minus a. So the file will be come up here. So this is my you can write it here anything, merge done. So here you can resolve it that my master my merging have been resolved from dev 1 to dev 2. So there is no error come up until now. I hope you all are like it. If you have any problem in this section, so you can feel free to contact me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you like it, and I will try my best to help you guys in a better and effective way. uh, Thanks. If anything is goes in wrong from my side, so for apologize for it, and thank you so much.